Hello my dear students, welcome to English Enhancers Institute. This video is for class 8 students. The topic is Chapter 4 Salaam Namaste from English Rose Reader of class 8. Reading comprehension, complete these sentences. The narrator was acquainted with Sheikh Muhammad because he had a selling stationery near her office and they bought the books in bulk from him for the Bangalore slum schools. The narrator used the word taciturn to describe Sheikh. It means that Sheikh was silent and had a habit of saying no more than was needed. Sheikh Muhammad's niece stayed with him because she was his sister Zubayda's daughter. Zubayda was a widow, so they both stayed with Sheikh. Tabassum's greeting for the narrator shows that she was showcasing the gratitude her dead mother had wanted to express to the narrator for helping them. In the story, we note that Sheikh and Tabassum have something in common. It is the nature of being reticent. Answer these questions. How did Sheikh Muhammad manage his household? Sheikh Muhammad managed his household by running a shop selling stationery. His wife and sister did tailoring and earned some money as well. What kind of people had the narrator met in the course of her work? The narrator had seen women hiding their diamond studs in their purses and asking for funds for the poor. She also witnessed well-off parents declaring their children orphans and applying for scholarships. She even knew some men who presented their parents as destitute. Why did Sheikh and Tabassum go to the narrator's office one day? Sheikh and Tabassum went to the narrator's office one day to return the remaining 3,000 rupees as requested by Zubayda while lying on her deathbed. The narrator says, I was sure Tabassum would grow up to be a fine human being. Why do you think she says this? The narrator said so as Zubayda had tried passing on the positive attitude to Tabassum and she was keeping that attitude quite well. Sheikh Muhammad was a generous and honest man. Which sentences from the story support this statement? When Sheikh Muhammad asked the narrator to help those who were poorer and couldn't even afford as much as he could, they require your help more than I do. Also, when he said, we are contented. These sentences from the story support the statement that he was a generous and honest man. How does the story uphold the value of compassion? The acts of kindness and the attitude of being grateful for what one has, as expressed in the story, uphold the value of compassion. Now, dear students, the questions C and D will be coming up in the next video. Stay tuned, study well, take care.